Have you ever wondered if you could make money online without chasing clients, booking calls, or trading your time for dollars? What if you could build something once, automate it, and have it working for you 24/7, selling while you sleep? Here's the crazy thing. You don't need to be a coder or an AI genius to do this. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell AI agents as digital products without ever offering services, creating a true passive income system that anyone can start. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks. If you're new here, this is the channel where we turn digital tools, AI, and smart automation into real income streams. If you want to learn how to build once and sell forever, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. Most people think the only way to make money with automation is by doing custom projects for clients, building chatbots, email flows, or marketing funnels one by one. And while that can make you money, it's not scalable. You're still stuck doing services, trading your time for cash. But there's a smarter way, turning your AI automations into ready-made digital products that you sell over and over again, like an app in a digital store. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine you've built a simple AI agent that automatically writes personalized LinkedIn connection requests and messages for salespeople. Normally, freelancers would offer this as a service. They'd manage the outreach for each client. But instead, you could package this as a plug-and-play automation, basically a template, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or even your own website. Someone buys it, gets instant access, plugs in their own credentials, and it runs for them. You only build it once, but you sell it 100 times. Sounds like magic? It's not. This is exactly how software companies work. Take Jasper AI, for example. It's essentially a pre-built automation that people subscribe to every month. You're doing the same thing, but on a smaller, more approachable scale. You don't need millions in funding. You just need one good automation that solves a real problem. Here's the step-by-step approach to making this happen. First, you need to pick a niche with a real pain point that automation can solve. And this is where most people overcomplicate things. They start thinking, I need some groundbreaking AI idea that nobody's ever done before. Nope. The truth is, businesses aren't looking for fancy. They're looking for solutions to boring, time-consuming problems they deal with every single day. That's where you win. Think about small business owners, hair salons, real estate agents, personal trainers. They're already juggling 10 different things just to keep the lights on. They don't have time to manually confirm appointments, send follow-up messages, or write social media posts every week. Freelancers face the same thing. They spend hours just managing emails and client requests instead of doing actual work. These people would happily pay you if you can give them a ready-made system that saves hours of their week. Here's how you spot a good niche. Look for repetitive tasks. If someone is doing the same process over and over again, sending quotes, onboarding clients, chasing reviews, posting updates, that's a goldmine for automation. For example, imagine a dog groomer who spends 30 minutes every evening texting clients about upcoming appointments. You could build an AI agent that automatically sends personalized reminders, even replies to basic questions like pricing or directions without the groomer lifting a finger. That's value they'll pay for, no hesitation. Second, once you've got your niche, it's time to actually build the agent. And no, you don't need to write a single line of code. Platforms like Make.com and Zapier make it ridiculously easy to drag and drop actions to connect tools that businesses already use. Let's say you're building something for a local gym. You can set up a simple automation that takes every new website sign-up, sends them a personalized welcome email with ChatGPT, adds them to a WhatsApp group for class updates, and even schedules a free trial session automatically on Calendly. That's the kind of stuff that blows business owners away because it feels like they just hired a 24/7 assistant. But it's actually a system you built once and can sell to anyone in that same niche. Now here's where the real money is made, packaging it as a product. This is where most people completely drop the ball. They grab a raw automation link and send it off with a couple of bullet points. That's not a product, that's homework. If you want people to buy without asking 50 questions or needing one-on-one help, you have to make it feel like an app. How? Give it a clean name that sounds like a tool. lead magnet funnel builder, social media post generator, or customer feedback analyzer. Write a simple, well-designed setup guide PDF with screenshots. Record a 3-minute video walking through the setup step by step. When someone buys, they instantly get a polished package that's easy to install and feels professional. This is why people buy Canva templates or Notion dashboards instead of building them from scratch. It saves them hours and just feels done for you. Now let's talk money, because this is where it gets exciting. Unlike services where you're capped by your time, you can only handle so many clients. You set a fixed price and sell it as many times as you want. Maybe you list your agent for $47 or $97 as a one-time purchase. Sell it 100 times and you've made thousands without touching a single custom project. But you don't have to stop there. Add some extra value, maybe regular updates, bonus templates, or a private support group, and you've just unlocked a subscription model. Suddenly, you're not just making one-time sales. You've built a small SaaS business without coding a thing. People pay every month because they trust you'll keep improving the product or helping them succeed with it. That's how software companies scale. And you can do it on a micro level. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. But if I just give people the automation, won't they share it for free? And sure, someone could technically copy it. But here's the reality. Buyers aren't just paying for a string of automated steps. They're paying for the time you've saved them figuring it out, the instructions you've prepared, the confidence that it works, and the community or support you offer. It's exactly why website templates and digital planners sell thousands of copies online, even though someone could technically make their own. People don't want to spend hours tinkering. They want something that works right now. And that's the beauty of this model. You build it once, make it foolproof, and sell it 100, 1,000 times. Every new customer is almost pure profit because you're not sitting there rebuilding it from scratch. That's how you escape the trap of trading hours for dollars and actually create scalable, passive income with AI agents. Let's visualize how the system works. Someone discovers your product through a YouTube video, TikTok clip, or blog post. They click your link, land on a Gumroad page with a simple product name like Instagram Post Generator AI Agent, hit buy, and immediately get the automation template plus a PDF guide. They set it up in 30 minutes, and boom, it's working for them. Meanwhile, you've just made a sale without touching a single client project. Do this every day, and those sales stack up. I know creators who've taken one automation, like a chatbot that books salon appointments, and sold thousands of copies worldwide. They don't speak to each buyer. They don't customize anything. They just sell a ready-to-use system. It's like being a software founder without needing to code. And the best part? You can start with zero budget. Make.com has free plans, ChatGPT can run on free or low-cost API usage, and Gumroad only takes a small fee per sale. With less than $50, you can have a working AI product online by tonight. Now, there's a strategy to scaling this. Don't stop at one agent. Once you've got your first product making consistent sales, create a bundle. Maybe you have a lead funnel builder, a social post generator, and a customer feedback analyzer. Bundle them as the Small Business Automation Starter Pack for $147. Packages like this often convert better because buyers see more value, and it's still 100% digital and automated. Marketing these agents is easier than you think. Create short demo videos showing what the automation does. Post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Write a headline like, "This automation saves 5 hours a week. Set it up in 20 minutes." People love quick wins. You can even partner with affiliates who promote your product for a commission. Suddenly you've got other people selling for you while you focus on creating more products. So to recap, you don't need to offer services, chase clients, or be a tech expert to profit from AI agents. You pick a pain point, build a simple automation with no code, package it like a real product, and sell it on autopilot. One build, infinite sales. That's true passive income in the digital age. If you want a full guide with the exact tools, templates, and steps to package and sell these automations as digital products, check the pinned comment below. I've put together a blueprint to help you get started right away. And if this video sparked an idea for your first automation, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical, no-fluff tutorials on turning automations into passive income. Drop a comment and let me know which type of AI agent you think has the most potential. Thanks for watching, and as always, let's build smarter and start profiting digitally.